Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own customized run commands. So don't waste your time and let's get started. There are the two ways to open run dialog box. You can open the run dialog box either click onto the start button and search run, or press the keys on your keyboard Windows plus R. Then you can see the run dialog box here. So close the tab. If you write any shortcut of software and click onto the OK button, then you can directly open the any software in fraction of time. For example, I want to open Paint on PC, then simply write ZBrush and click onto the OK. Then Paint will be open in my PC. In this way I will teaching you how to make your own commands. You don't know about any software and you want to make your extra commands at your convenience, that you can open it easily for any software, then make your own command. So please watch my video till the end. If any problem comes, then send me the message in the comment box. So first I want to open Google Chrome using run command. So I click onto the start button and type run. Click onto the run. Okay. So you can see the run dialog box. Simply type either Google Chrome or GC. Google Chrome. Okay. So you can see the error message. Windows cannot find Google. Make sure you typed the name correctly and then try again. Okay. GC. Okay. You can see the same error message. Windows cannot find GC. Make sure you typed the name correctly and then try again. Okay. So close the tab. Right click onto the desktop and click onto the new. Then select shortcut. Click onto the browse button, and here you have to select the software which you have to create a shortcut. So I select Google Chrome, which I want to create a shortcut, and Google Chrome is already located on my desktop. You can see here. So I will select Google Chrome, GC desktop. Okay. Click onto the next button. Then type in the shortcut you want to put here. For example, I will write GC and click onto the finish button. You can see a new Google Chrome has arrived on the desktop. That we created a shortcut name. So the final step is right click onto the newly created Google Chrome and cut or copy here and paste into your Windows folder, which is in the C drive. Select Windows C, open Windows folder and paste here your browser content. So you can see the GC browser on my Windows folder. So close the tab, refresh, press the keys on your keyboard Windows plus R and type GC. Always remember, you can use small or capital letters of your shortcut names like this and click onto the OK. So here my browser is open on my screen. So guys, this is the trick to create your own customized run commands. So I hope you like my video. Please like and share with your friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.